Here's a comparison between the halogen and LED replacement. As you can see, they are roughly the same size. The filament and diode position are similar as well, which provides a very close beam pattern with reference to the reflector. These have a smart IC driver with 100 watt rating, making them work in most vehicles without any radio interference problems, CAN bus ready, and preventing the chance of any errors or warning lights on your vehicle.
The stock halogen lights were a little too warm for me in color, the yellow color, but the light dispersion was a little bit short too as well. It was kind of weak there. Whereas like the Auxito LED lights had a much more brighter in terms of the white color, so it was much more wider. The spread was also wider, but the beam was so strong too that it made for a farther throw in terms of the light, so I could see farther at distance.
Here I'm cycling between the driving lights, low beams, and high beams. You can see the white light does greatly improve the visibility along with a higher lumen rating. We can easily see more detail on the road, and this will reduce eye fatigue when driving at night and also helps avoid any obstacles or hazards. Even with the different style bulbs, the design of these particular LED replacements do have a similar pattern to the halogen bulbs.
I definitely say I 100% recommend these Auxito headlights, and I will be getting them on whatever the next car I get is, which is going to be very much sooner than you think, because there's a reason this car hasn't moved this entire video.
Alright, so I've had them for about 2 weeks now. I really like them. I don't have any complaints whatsoever. And the cool thing about these is that not only do they look good from like the driver's position, but I just like the actual color of the light, like on the car, you know what I'm saying? Like I feel like it just looks better than the stock yellow, definitely.